It's raining. Today is June the 5th, 2021, and today is what would have been my wedding day. This is me and Kate when we first met. Port Leven, love that shot. Now, because of COVID, we're not getting married this year. And there's a lot of people that are also in the same boat as what we are. I appreciate that. I wanted to do something really nice for Kate today. So the plan was we were originally going to be getting married in St Ives, and in a way it's kind of a blessing in disguise really that we can't get married there today, because obviously next weekend is the G7 summit. So a lot of our guests would have had a complete nightmare of finding somewhere to stay, or the prices would have just been hiked right up. So as I said, it's probably a blessing in disguise that it's not today. However, I wanted to do something really nice. I figured, do you know what? If we can't get married today, we could still essentially stay in a hotel or do something really nice. But when I was booking it, when I was trying to find somewhere to book, a lot of the places had like sort of non-refundable deposits. And this day and age, do you know what? I don't really want to be sort of losing money when we've got a wedding to pay for on hotel rooms because we can't go there because of other variants and things like that. So instead, I've booked us a nice table this evening at the Fox's Revenge, which is up near Summercourt. So if you've not been there, food's fantastic. Highly recommend it. I actually wanted to book somewhere a bit more local, like Falmouth area, but I really struggled to find us a table anywhere. Can I book a table for the 5th of June, please? Right, okay. Yep, not a problem. Yep, thank you, bye. It's not going well already. Oh, hi, yes. Do you have any space for Saturday the 5th evening, 9:30? Yeah, I think that might be a little bit too late for her. No, that's fine. Yeah, not a problem. Thanks. Maybe it's a blessing in disguise that we're not getting married today, because the weather is shocking. Yeah, it's raining. So I'm sort of explaining what's happening today because I kind of want to be there for Kate today. I don't really want to be sort of filming all day, so I'm just sort of relaying this to you guys. Today is the last day of the 7-day upload challenge. I probably should have chose a different week, but it is what it is. But yeah, so thank you everyone for watching this entire week. I really, really appreciate it. We're going to go out for dinner tonight. It's going to be great, and I'm just going to give all my attention to Kate. I was also going to mention as well that obviously just some feedback from this week of me uploading every week, what I've learned, what I've enjoyed, what I've not enjoyed. So for me, the making of the videos every day, I've really, really enjoyed that. I've enjoyed challenging myself to make sure that I've got time to edit, upload, and get them ready for 9 o'clock every day. Really happy that you guys have been watching every single one of them, and it just goes to show that you guys appreciate what I do, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Would I do it again? I probably would if I was on holiday, if I had like a week off work where I didn't have to go in and I wasn't trying to juggle work and obviously making videos as well, then I think I probably could upload every day. But to be honest, the one thing that I'm going to take away from it is I'm going to upload more regularly. We're not talking every day, but maybe you know, see if I can at least do a minimum of 2 videos a week and maybe push for 3, especially in the summer, because it's in the evenings I can just go out and do something. But as far as the daily upload goes, I think it's more about quality rather than quantity. Sometimes less is more. Sometimes less is more, and I think that I would rather I always do my 1 a week, you know, unless something drastic happens and then I just don't upload. But I always do my 1 a week. I push at the moment to do 2 a week every now and then, but going forward from this weekly upload, I'm going to try and upload at least 2 a week, and then a third will be a bonus. But saying that, I'm probably going to take a few days off now, and there will be an upload next Sunday. So yeah, I'll see you then. See you next week. Cheers, bye.
I think I have too much roses, and I've been feeling kinda hopeless. I know I'm not supposed to feel this way. I know it's been a while since I held you in my arms. And oh,